Hi, I'm Samuel Barus, Chef de Cuisine, SKAI Bar Grill at Padma Resort Legian.
What does leading the kitchen mean to you, personally and professionally?
Personally, it's being a role model, but also need discipline, attitude, and consistent. Professionally, it's creating strong system and creativity and work together. A kitchen should run with precision, but also with passion.
How would you describe the dining identity of SKAI Bar & Grill under your direction?
Under my direction, SKAI represents woodfire Mediterranean influence, refined technique, and bold flavor. It is modern, vibrant, and ingredient-driven. We focus on premium meats and clean presentation, while maintaining a casual dining experience.
SKAI Bar & Grill is known for its vibrant atmosphere. How do you translate that energy onto the plate?
The energy of SKAI is dynamic and lively. I translate that through bold flavor combination, contrast in texture, and visually plating. The dishes are confident, colorful, and expressive, just like the atmosphere. Fire, smoke, and char play a big role in creating that intensity.
How do you ensure consistency and excellence while overseeing a dynamic kitchen?
Consistency comes from system and training. We make our standard recipe, conduct regular testing, and make communication between service and kitchen. Excellence is maintained through discipline, daily cooking together, and constant evaluation. I believe leadership is present in the details.
What role does teamwork play in your kitchen? And how do you nurture young talent within your brigade?
Teamwork is everything. A strong kitchen is built on trust and respect. I mentor young chefs by giving them responsibility, teaching them not only technique, but also mindset, discipline, timing, and consistency. Growth happens when they are challenged and supported at the same time.
Is there a signature dish at SKAI that truly reflects your style as a chef?
We play with secondary cuts, high ingredients, proper aging, good balancing flavor. I believe the best dishes are not overcomplicated. They highlight the natural character of the product.
How do you incorporate local Balinese ingredients into a contemporary grill concept?
I use local herbs, spice, and seasonal products to add depth and identity. Balanced ingredients bring freshness and aromatic complexity. Instead of changing the concept, I integrated local flavors subtly, allowing them to complement the grill and Mediterranean direction.
Last question. Looking ahead, what is your vision for the future of SKAI Bar & Grill?
My vision is position SKAI as one of the leading woodfire Mediterranean destinations in Bali. I want SKAI to be recognized not only for great food, but also its for energy, craftsmanship, and culinary direction.